Hey there, welcome to Vexapi Digitals. Okay, so if you want to go into website development, I think this is a best video for you. Want to learn how to create websites and stuff like that? Yeah. All right. So website development is actually into like two parts. We have the front end. That's like when you visit a website, what you see, basically like the interface, what you see, that you interact with. That's like your front end. And then let's say you are signing up for a website, you fill in the form there, and then you submit it. After submitting, where does the data go? That's when the back end comes to play. So the back end takes care of those kind of stuff. Okay, now I'd advise that you start with front end development, because to me, I think it's easy, and that's what I'm actually embarking on now. And for you to make your learning easy, there are some mobile apps that you can install, and at your leisure time you'll be taking some of their courses, here and there, and then you get a little good at it. And if you want to take it more seriously, on your PC you can visit freecodecamp.org. It's a nice website. That's what I'm actually using. It's great. They have a nice course outline there, and you just follow through, and that's it. It's easy. Okay, so that's actually what you should do. And then the languages that you should basically learn as a front end developer is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then you move on to other ones like React Native, or Angular if that's what you want. You learn some frameworks like Bootstrap, and other ones here. So that's it for this video. I hope you gained some insights from it. If you did, kindly press the subscribe button, drop a comment, and in my subsequent videos I might be sharing some one or two tips, in relation with front end development and stuff like that. Stay tuned. Bye.